Hi, hello friends. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we can file taxes in Germany and why it is necessary. Especially, many expats have been coming from India and also they are very much interested about how to file the tax and what are the documents required to file the tax filing in Germany. So in this video, we are going to look about this. Welcome to our channel. So basically, it is mandatory to file tax in any country you are residing. Even when we are in India, we have also filed taxes. Same applicable to Germany also. We need to file taxes in Germany. I have completed my tax filing for the first time here in Germany. So in this video, I'm going to say what are the documents that I submitted for my first tax return in Germany and what are the very basic and important documents that is necessary to file your taxes here. The first and foremost important document is your Lohnsteuerbescheinigung. That is your tax document that you receive from your employee for every year. Same like a Form 16 back in India. Along with that, we also need to bring our Steuer-ID. That is our tax ID, which you will get after your Anmeldung when you enter Germany for the first time. As I already said in my previous videos, Anmeldung is necessary. So after Anmeldung, you'll get some string of documents. In that, Steuer-ID is also one of the documents. So you need to take this document along with you while you go for a tax filing. Then you also need to have your IBAN number and your bank details along with your SWIFT code, BIZ, something like that. So your bank account along with all the details is necessary before you go to your tax filing. So that is mandatory because if you get any refunds, it will automatically transmit it to your bank account. So your bank account is mandatory. And one more important point is if you are coming from India, if you have worked in India for 1 or 2 months or 6 months or 8 months, and if you are filing a tax return for two different countries, that is 6 months in Germany, 6 months in India, then you should also need to submit your Form 16 document for the stipulated time you worked in India. Also, the last 3 months of payslip is mandatory for you to submit before you file your tax return in Germany. So this will also be an important document if you're coming to Germany for the first time, and this is a mandatory document to be submitted for your first tax filing in Germany. So these are the very basic and major documents. Along with this, you also need to take your proof of income document. So if your spouse is working or if you have any income abroad, so if you have any income apart from your regular employment income, so that's also need to be taken into account before you file your tax. And other allowances like Kindergeld documents and parental geld documents is also mandatory. Along with that, you can also take your exceptional expenses document along with you. So here we have three types of expenses. First is work-related expenses. So if you are spending your cost based on your job-related applications, then that documents can also be taken. And if you are taking your public transport and the cost of the ticket is also can be included as part of your work-related expense. So if you are getting any electronics or if you are getting any furniture that is exceptionally used for your office purposes, that can also be included as part of your work-related expenses. And then if you are also relocating for a job to a new place, that relocation cost can also be included as part of your work-related expenses and can be also claimed for tax benefits. And if you are doing any vocational training, any business-related travels, so everything can be covered under this part. Then comes the special expenses. If you are giving any fund to charity or any political contribution in Germany, and if you are spending some expenses based on your private pension savings and any social security contributions, church taxes, this will also come under your special expenses. So these additional exceptional expenses or something like that, if you are spending some cost for your medical expenses, if you are furnishing your apartment or home exceptionally for your disability because you are disabled and you cannot use your house in the normal mode, if your family is completely dependent on you, if your parents are dependent on you, and if you are sending them monthly amount only because they are not able to generate their income on your own and you are able to support them only with your expenses, then that can also be shown as a tax document to your tax officers. So these are the mandated documents that is needed to file your taxes in Germany. So now the question is it mandatory to file taxes in Germany? All the salaried individuals are definitely need to file their taxes in Germany, and the deadline is January 1 to July 31st. So within this period, everyone should file their tax returns. And we have many options to file your tax returns. You can do it with your online application forms. You can download all the application forms, you can fill it manually, and then you can submit it to your local finance center, that is your local tax office. So this is one of the way. And also you can be a member of Lohnsteuerhilfe. So that is something like you can get help from the tax association and they will also help you to file your tax returns. For this, you definitely need to be a member of the tax association and you need to pay the membership fee every year. It amounts from 100 to 300 euros. Then you can also appoint a tax consultant to file your tax returns. So this is the way which I have used to file my tax returns. I have found a tax consultant and I have hired him and given my documents that I have already mentioned above, and then I filed my tax returns. So this is one of the easiest way to. You can also use online applications for filing your tax returns. We have many apps in the Play Stores. So some apps like Steuer-ID, TaxFix, Undertax, or one of the commonly used tax filing apps in Germany. So you can also use these tax applications to fill your tax returns. Similar to ClearTax, which we use back in India, these TaxFix and Undertax are very dependable and very easy option to file your tax returns also. So once you file your tax returns, and you will get the amount after verification from the tax offices within 2 to 6 months of stipulated time period. So they will verify all your documents and the originalities of the documents, and if all is perfect and if everything goes according to their prescribed format, then you will get your tax returns directly into your bank account, or else they will also send you a tax document. Okay, your form is rejected or approved. So based on that, you need to act on what we need to do next. So this is the simple process for filing tax returns in Germany. So in case if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section or in my Instagram handle. So I have given all the details in the description box. So make sure you forward this video to all your friends in Germany. So this video will definitely be helpful to them. So please subscribe and stay tuned to the third channel. Thanks for watching.